Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x squared divided by that 6. This is equal to 6 of x. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution here quickly. We have x to the power of 2 divided by 36. This is equal to 6 over x. The first step is to cross multiply here, so that now we have x to the power of 2 multiplied by x. This is equal to x. This is x raised to the power of 1. Now this is equal to 36 multiplied by 6. So x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 1. This is in the form of a to the power of n times a to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then we have x to the power of 2 plus 1. This is equal to 36. This is 6 to the power of 2 multiplied by 6 to the power of 1. So this means we have x to the power of 2 plus 1. This is equal to 6 to the power of 2 plus 1. So x to the power of 2 plus 1, this is x to the power of 3, which is equal to 6 to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now, let's take 6 to the power of 3 on the left hand side, so that we have x to the power of 3. Subtract 6 to the power of 3. This is equal to 0. Now this is the difference of two cubes expressed as a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which we can express as a minus b into the parentheses. This is a squared plus ab plus b to the power of 2. Applying this identity, then we have x minus 6. Then we have x to the power of 2. That is plus 6 times x, which is 6x. Then plus 6 squared, which is 36. Then this is equal to 0. From the first part here, we have that x minus 6. This is equal to 0. Then we have x to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 36. This is equal to 0. Now from the first part here, we have that x1 is equal to 6. The second part here is a quadratic equation where we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 36. So we can solve for x2, x3 by applying the quadratic formula here, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything here divided by 2 times a. So let's substitute the values of a, b, and c, so that now here we have minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 36. Everything here divided by 2 times 1. So this is minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 6 squared. This is 36. Subtract. Now, this is 6 times 4. This is 24. So 4 carry 2. Then 4 times 3. This is 12. Plus 2. This is 14. So we have 144. Everything here divided by 2. So this is minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 144. This is minus 108. Everything here divided by 2. So this means that now we have minus 6 plus or minus. We can express the square root of minus 108. This is 36 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 1. Everything here divided by 2. So this means that we have minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 36, this is the same thing as 6. Then square root of minus 1, this is I. Then square root of 3, everything here divided by 2. In the numerator here, 2 is common here, so we can factor out 2, so that now minus 6 divided by 2, this is minus 3, plus or minus 6i divided by 2, this is 3i square root of 3, everything here divided by 2. So this implies that we can simplify here, and therefore we have minus 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3. Now we have x2 and x3. This is minus 3 plus or minus 3i square root of 3. These are two complex solutions. These are two complex solutions. X2 is minus 3 plus 3i square root of 3. And x3 is equal to minus 3 minus 3i square root of 3. So these are two complex solutions, and we have only one real solution, which is x1, and this is equal to 6. So we have three solutions here. We have one real solution, and then we have two complex solutions here. So kindly follow the steps, like this video. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.